And for the next generation, the nation will be improved. That's all this.
Very well said. Thank you, candidate number one.
Before we finally get to know the victors of this search, let's give the floor to our outgoing Miss BHC, who had been an epitome to all of us students during her reign as Miss BHC 2007. Let's give it up to Charina Macalino, Miss BHC 2007 for her farewell walk.
Sir Nelson.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us call on Charina Macalino, Miss BAT 2007.
As I walked through this place where my wonderful journey started, I remember all the unforgettable experiences of an adventure-filled year decorated by surprises, fears, challenges, and opportunities. It was not only a moment to shine above the rest, but it is looking through the world as it unfolds and a time of giving and making a difference. I may not have captured the world in my hands, but such journey has been one of the highlights of my growing years. Winning the title as the first ever Miss BHC is not an opportunity to wear a crown but a responsibility. And the vicissitudes of being one has been the greatest challenge I have had in my time. That is to be a person of integrity, of courage, of understanding, of power and articulation, and the profundity of my character. I dedicate my year to all the people constituting the BHC administration for the passion and commitment to making each one of us dreamers, to realize our potential, and for their guidance to get closer to our dreams. I thank the organizers of this pageant, headed by our principal, Teacher Lori, and our advisors, Teacher Nelson, Teacher Anna, Teacher Robert, and Teacher Albert, for convening such a vantage. The success I have had gave more color to the stage of learning, growing, and believing in dreams and aspirations. To my family, especially my guardians, Ms. Liminda Macalino and Jeanette Ferrer, my real friends, Luis, Michelle, Maga,
So there they are, ladies and gentlemen. We will ask you once again to give them another round of applause. know that most of them are trembling until now because it's their first exposure at a very young age, diba? 12, what else? 13, 14. Ako, I'm 47, I haven't tried that. Okay, so for the minor award, we have for the first one, the number. Ayan, i-reveal na natin. Number, sino?
And to present the award for Miss Reveal, may we call on the representatives of Reveal Spa.
Okay, so we have here our presenters from Reveal. May we call on Miss Reveal, candidate number 8, Miss Christine Darling Sicalar.
To present the award for Miss SKM, may we call on Miss Shania Merchandani. Miss Karina Merchandani rather.
And Miss SKM is candidate number 7, Christine Angelica Hatipo.
Minor award is Miss Gandang Salon Natin.
And to present the award for Miss Gandang Salon Natin, may we call on Mrs. Nati Bautista, Mr. Sam, the representative of Salon Natin.
Miss Gandang Salon Natin is candidate number... Sino bang may pinakamagandang buhok dyan? Candidate number 5. Princess Joy Hermosora.
And to present the award for Miss Uncle Days, may we call on Mr. and Mrs. Stanley Marshall Shore, Sandra and Reina Sharp brothers.
And Miss Uncle Dave's is candidate number 4, Princess Joy Felder.
And now, for the Student's Choice Award. This one, the candidates went around. When did we start, Micah? Last Thursday. Okay, they started, I think, Thursday. They went around and then asked for votes. But instead of a vote, they asked for a peso coin, 5 pesos, or any amount. So the highest who got that award.
And to present the award for Student's Choice, may we